Hey, this is Jeff from With Jeff, and I'm sitting here right now with a Guinness. And I gotta get my hand out of the strap on the gimbal. And with some Szechuan noodles, hot Szechuan noodles. What I'm trying to figure out for With Jeff, and I think this is gonna be a series that goes a few days, maybe as many as a week, and I think I'll talk to my friend Andy about how he does his beer review stuff. Not bears, beer. But I'm trying to find the beer that quenches the heat the best. So the best beer to have with buffalo wings, the best beer to have with Szechuan, and any other hot food. So I'm gonna be giving that a try. I hope you tune in. Thanks. And we're back. I'm gonna have a bite of Szechuan. And I know this is not real Szechuan. Spicy, definitely spicy. So far, Guinness is the winner for putting out the fire. This is Jeff from With Jeff. I'll see you in the next episode.